If you're someone who loves the outdoors, whether it's hiking, fishing, camping, or simply relaxing under the stars, then this video is for you. We've gathered a list of the most practical, innovative, and game-changing outdoor gadgets that make your adventures easier, more enjoyable, and more memorable. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Firedance Oil Lamp, a blend of classic aesthetics and modern utility. The Firedance Oil Lamp is a retro-inspired piece that doubles as both an oil lantern and a portable outdoor stove. Crafted from SUS 304 stainless steel and brass, it offers rugged durability in the wild while looking timelessly elegant. Compact in size at just 15.7 by 11 by 21 centimeters, it's easy to store in your camping pack. A kerosene-powered tank ensures a steady burn for up to 8 hours, providing both light and warmth when you need it most. Whether you're cooking or setting the mood by the campfire, this is your go-to camping essential. Number 7. Coffee Caddy Set. Coffee lovers rejoice. The Shine Trip Coffee Caddy Set is a modular outdoor coffee station designed for the wilderness. Available in medium and large sizes, this aluminum box set includes everything from a coffee holder and light stand to sideboards and a water filter rack. With its robust structure and smart storage, it transforms your camping site into a mini cafe. The medium set weighs 13.35 kilograms, while the large comes in at 15 kilograms, still light enough for car camping, yet sturdy enough for reliable use. Number 6. Tank 3 Watch. The North Edge Tank 3 is not just a watch, it's a rugged, waterproof outdoor companion. With features like a digital pedometer, calorie counter, compass, and week display, it's perfect for tracking your adventure stats. The 50-meter water resistance and durable silicone band make it ideal for hiking, fishing, and rugged environments. The Hardlex dial window resists scratches, while the 44mm alloy case fits snugly on the wrist, giving you both style and performance in one. Number 5. Digital Microscope. Take a closer look at nature with the 500X handheld digital microscope. Whether you're studying leaves, insects, or even checking fine details in coins or jewelry, this compact tool features a 2-inch IPS screen and magnification up to 1500x. Lightweight and battery-powered, it's an educational and entertaining addition to your outdoor gear, especially for those who camp with kids or enjoy macro-level discoveries. Number 4. Magnetic Tripod Stand. Multifunctionality meets portability with the Suitcase Magnetic Tripod Phone Stand. Designed specifically for iPhones with MagSafe compatibility, it securely attaches to your phone with a magnetic force of up to 3,000 Gs. It cleverly doubles as a phone stand with adjustable viewing angles, and also functions as a wallet with space for up to 5 cards. With RFID blocking technology, your data stays safe, making it the perfect tool for road trips, hiking, or campsite video calls. Number 3. Camping Grill Stove. The detachable camping grill is a must-have for outdoor cooking. With a stainless steel body and foldable design, it's ideal for 1 to 3 people. Weighing just over 2 kilograms, it's compact enough to carry, but large enough to grill meats and vegetables comfortably. Perfect for barbecues or quick meals in the woods, this durable cook stove transforms any outdoor space into a functional kitchen. Number 2. Spring Rod Holder. Fishing just got automated with the Spring Angle Rod Holder. Built with an anti-rust steel frame, this clever tool uses a self-locking mechanism that activates with the slightest fish bite. Once triggered, it lifts the fishing rod instantly and helps embed the hook deeper, ensuring you never miss a catch. It's especially useful for solo anglers juggling multiple rods or anyone wanting a more relaxed fishing experience. Number 1. Aluminum Fish Tool. The Gomexus aluminum fishing pliers are the ultimate multi-tool for anglers. With a fish lip gripper, hook remover, and ergonomic grip, it's all you need in a single portable tool. Made of durable aluminum, it resists corrosion and withstands high temperatures up to 105 degrees Celsius. Whether you're removing hooks, managing your catch, or just staying safe near sharp fish teeth, this tool is essential for any serious fisherman. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.